Okay, another kind of piazza, and I think another church. Inside the church that I just showed you, it's very beautiful. I especially like up there. This shop sells sweets, and they have stuff for Befana. Befana is the witch who comes January 6th. And that ends the holidays and kind of Christmas, actually. So the Christmas decorations stay up actually until January 6th in Italy. Some really big masks here.
They are scary.
Yeah, some of them are a bit scary. We're in a kind of shopping street. I guess we're nearer to Rialto, because around Rialto there are a lot of shops. We're actually at Mercato del Pesce. I think this is actually the beginning of the Mercato Rialto. Obviously, yeah, in the morning they have the fish market here. It's not the time right now for it, because it's late afternoon now.
They come with the boats there?
Yeah.
All depends with the
Yeah, they even have pens made from glass. Okay, we're approaching the Rialto Bridge. That's it. That's it.
Even December, yes.
They have the lights on here. It's really pretty at night.
That is a beautiful.
Another piazza.
Look at a beautiful clock over there.
Is that a concert hall? I think so.
Clock.
Yeah, but actually the building is for concerts, I think. Yes, it's like Asakusa in Japan, all on the sides going to the Rialto. It's just full of souvenir shops.
You know, an interesting thing, it is a clock with 24 hours, not 12 hours there.
Yeah, it's 24-hour clock.
You see? Yeah, there
That is a 24-hour
was a comic they called on it here.
Yes, this is the theater. So not a concert hall, but an actual theater. Carlo Goldoni. Look.
I know, look what, bro. You need to...
It's natural here. So, now Venice by night is very romantic, and I think people are drinking up there on the rooftop. Here's another gondola guy. Some very beautiful buildings, homes. Well, now there's shops, I think, most of them. If you look in the windows there, you see some beautiful art. But I think we're at Piazza San Marco. Ta-da! It's that way. This is the museum, Corora, the Piazza San Marco Museum.
Wow! Oh, guys, I never saw it night. Macau,
Yeah. Piazza San Marco at night. It's gorgeous.
Not because I'm Italian, but I think it's difficult to find a plaza like that, so at least in Europe. And we almost travel to every city.
They still have the Christmas tree there. It's... I'm a bit closer. That is the cathedral. Yeah. And beside the cathedral is the Doge, I think it's a palace, Doge's palace or palazzo.
Look at the campanile there.
Yeah, this is the clock tower. Not clock tower, the bell tower. The clock tower is there, and I'll show you it close. Look at this guy. This guy, I love him. He was so funny. Okay, this is the clock tower.
With the light.
Yes, and it has all like the astrological signs all around. It's dark, so you can't really see properly, but the clock is quite unique. Let's see.
There is the sea there.
Yeah.
Let's go to see the sea.
The lion represents Venice, so you see the lion like on a lot of buildings and all over the place. The Christmas tree. Do you see the dogs? No, they're horses. Do you see the horses? All the figurines on top. I forgot what they represent. But okay, you need to go in here. That is another thing you should do. It's very, very beautiful. I have been inside before. It's one of the most beautiful cathedrals in the world. If you go that way, you get to the sea or water. Okay. The lighting that they have here is very nice. Yeah. Okay. The other part of the piazza, the Doge or Doge Palace. There's the lion on top of there, on top of the pass there, the gate. They're closing. They're closed. What happened? This beautiful, beautiful building that I still haven't been inside this one though. Ciao, ciao. All right then. There's the line for the gondola rides. There are a bunch of taxis. There's a church on the other side of the water. Or like on a little island over there. That's the taxi down there. That's actually, there are hotels there, but I don't know what else. This is actually the Doge's Palace. Here. This is actually the Doge's Palace here. And that's, well, this is still Piazza San Marco. But the greater part of it is there.
This is the Sospiri Bridge.
Okay, the Ponte di Sospiri. Basically, it means a breathtaking bridge.
Yeah, when you are in love, you do.
Okay. They're doing concerts here, but this used to be the prison a long time
Imagine
ago.
guys to be in the prison in Venice with all the humidity.
Yeah. And now it's a concert place.
Mamma mia, yes.
San Benedetto.
What a life.
This is the Danieli Hotel. It is very nice,
Look
very
at the terraces of every room.
The terraces are gorgeous.
Every room.
Yeah. You really feel like you're in Venice. Well,
They have the private gondola at the Danieli Hotel. Look. The Danieli gondola.
yeah, if you stay at the Danieli, you have a private gondola. Yeah, it's actually so beautiful in that hotel. I actually had a look. They have a restaurant. This is where the gondolas can actually drop you off.
Also.
And that's the door to the restaurant, the side door.
Because, you know, from the airport, directly they take a taxi and they come here, you know.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay. This is... I don't know what it is for, what it signifies, but maybe the war, because look, this is a shield. Yeah, there's a big church there. This is the Palace Hotel. This is another very expensive, famous kind of hotel. The Danieli is more Venetian, more kind of classic. This one is, it seems a bit newer. And another. A lot of hotels and restaurants. It's preparing the prosecco or wine, some kind of wine. A lot of dogs. Here is another beautiful hotel. So I found out that the prices start from like the lowest level at 215 euros a night and go to like 2,000 a night. So yeah, very, very expensive. Now we need to start heading back and maybe we'll get some cicchetti, which is what we came here for. Okay, on our way back, I thought I'd show you the clock tower again. It's very special. Okay, this is the other side of the clock tower. And there's a beautiful street here, beautiful shops here. Gucci, the church, and we have to pass by the Rialto Bridge eventually. There are many churches. Old, this is part of a church. I don't know who he is. Enrico's checking.
I like him Firenze, come a Firenze.
Okay, more cicchetti places to drink wine and have those little appetizers with bread, but I don't know where the non-touristy kind of ones are. I was told to go where you see the old men playing cards and you don't see foreigners. I'm gonna put my feet in there. I wash them first. Oh, they like Enrico too.
Che tenito, guarda, tanto,
It feels like my feet are in moving water or bubbling, sparkling water. Like acqua frizzante, yeah. It hardly feels like anything though. This is another tapas place. Not tapas, cicchetti. There's a lot of young people who seem to go to there. These are the tapas stuff. That's a fried fish. They have sandwiches. Okay, I recommend this one because it's like a potato mayonnaise cheesy thing, and then they put like salmon and stuff on top. So I recommend these. This is a fried salmon. It's very good too. Here's another one. This one looks popular too. They have there the chiquetti. A lot of people are eating here. There are many restaurants here now. We're on the side of the Rialto. Yeah. There's the Rialto down there. And here, the beautiful. Okay, we reached this point where we can't go any further. But yeah, it's another restaurant. But it's very beautiful. This is such a romantic and beautiful place. Like, how many times have I said that? So many times. It must be sick. Okay. This is another piazza. And they've built an ice skating rink. A little bit of a market here too.
The big theater man, no?
This is the home, the old home of Goldoni, who is an old Italian comedian.
Even have a theater called the Goldoni.
Yeah, I don't know if you can see well, but this is the old home. That's a well in the middle of. These are old homes that are now museums. So, and maybe some people still live there. You can see some stars today. Yep, this is where they used to park their boat or whatever they used. I think this is just another church, but I'm not sure. I think, yes, it's another church. Yeah, I know, you can't really see anything, but I found a little park. Maybe this is the only one in Venice. Because otherwise, there is no grass or... Okay, I'm gonna say goodbye now. We're back at Mestre Station. From here, we have the car. We parked the car here. And so, thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. See you next time.